Kai aku huanga o Ngāti Whātua o Rākei, tēnā koutou. Ko te AREPA MOREHU ahau, he uri no tuperiri, he uri no pai whenua rāua ko whakariki. I am privileged to live on the Ōrākei Papa Kāinga within close proximity to our marae, which is a kāinga rua for my whānau, including my 5 tamariki kōrero Māori. Ko taku whānau e whai ana i ngā tikanga o te kōrero e mea ana, ko te reo te Māori o te mana Māori. I am passionate about the oranga of our whānau, hapu and iwi, and this is guided by a desire to help create a future where our uri whakatupu are proactively embracing their whātuatanga. I have been involved in kaupapa I rotoinga taukahipa that, like many others, has kept the home fires burning, hei ahi ka. I am fortunate to participate, contribute and support our stalwart kaumātua and kaupapa across Tāmaki, including karakia, pōwhiri, mihi whakatau and events. I have worked in the private sector in IT, banking and service design. I am currently caring for our taonga that reside in Tāmaki Paengahira, Auckland Museum as the Tumuaki Māori, navigating a world for iwi and hapu to ensure that our voice is at the table. I sit at multiple boards, contributing to kōrero and key decisions, and would like the opportunity to do the same for ngā uri o tuperiri on the Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei Trust Board. Ka wāhi whakaroa hau ki ngā kupu nā ihinga I whakatauā ki tia, hei whakaihi māku. Me tupu ia wiwi, me tupu ia wāwa, tūria I te wera, piri ki te rito te ringaringa. Nā reira, ka karangahia koe te whanaunga te AREPA MOREHU, kai a koe te wā. Ho mai te pakipaki I te wi.
A tēnā tātou katoa. Siege, e mihi ana ki a koe. Nau tērā I hono tātou, te ira tangata ki te ira atua, no reira, nei rā te mihi. Ki a koe wai marama, te mātanga kōrero tō tātou nei hui, ka mihi ake, ka mihi ake, ka mihi ake. E mihi ana ki ngā kaitono, ki a tātou katoa, ngā uri o tuperiri e tai mai I tēnei wā. Nui te aroha, ki a tātou, ki tō tātou, o tātou hapu, tō tātou iwi, no reira, ka mihi ake, ka mihi ake, ka mihi ake. Kia ora tātou, te AREPA MOREHU is the name, kaupapa Māori is the game. Been very fortunate in the last little while to see the fruits of what our amazing boards have done in I suppose, for the many years leading up until now. And so to all of our past trust board members and our existing ones for the fruits that have been spoken about by our whanaunga, Ngāti Mua and Are Kātara, pono, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou. And I can hold that as an attribute to, like was spoken about, my tamariki kōrero Māori. We are very fortunate to have a whare kōrero Māori, a whare reo Māori, and that's because of the mahi that our boards have been putting in for our whānau. And that goes across all of the entities that have been playing a part, plus us as the waira hapu. Us as the waira hapu who walk the walk, talk the talk. Reira, tēnā koutou. If I think about some of those aspects, we have been building ourselves in cultural identity, tino pai, been looking at whānau well-being, tino pai, looking at rangatiratanga. And if I think about those aspects, those elements, I've been searching for what have I been doing for the last little while to tie into that. And we touched on it briefly, the mahi that I've been going through professionally to get to this point where I feel that I've gained a lot of experience through those different waves, telecommunications, banking, public sector, and the challenges that they bring. And pono, they bring a lot of challenges for us as Māori, I have found ways to navigate through it. And one of the things that supports their navigation is the fortune that I've had to be able to be a kaiako to our tamariki and kapahaka in different sporting occasions, whether it's touch, whether it's rugby, whether it's league, a little bit of poiuka, a little bit of softball. to really see the direction of where our tamariki are heading at the moment. It's our taiwa, it's beautiful. And trying to tie into the community. Everyone knows about Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei around here, but they don't know the depths that we have. And so being a part of the school board, taking over after our whanaunga, Wayne tēnā koe, on the school board over there, tell you what, it's got its piki me ngā heke. And sometimes that's what happens. Sometimes that's what happens in that space. But one of the key moments that we look for is how do we get the community's voice, the hapori voice, in this occasion, our whānau voice into the mix. Because our tautoko, the kōrero, housing, education, all of those play a massive part for us at the moment, including what we've been doing around tikanga and the reo. But I also, I think that we have, as a trust, an opportunity to bring our whānau into the mix a little bit more. What does that look like? Not too sure at this point in time, but I would imagine that it would need to have a bit of structure around it. And so that it's not just coming in to have a kōrero and then leave. Actually, what is the impact that our whānau want to have and their own voice around what that impact is and the outcomes that might tie into that, which then can really feed some really great decisions within the structures that we have around us. And those are experiences and elements that I've got a background in. And so my door's always open. I'm always good for a kōrero. And sometimes that kōrero does end up going for a couple of hours, depending on which auntie comes in the door, but kei te pai tērā. Nō reira, I'll leave it at that at te whānau, with a little bit of tūturu whakamaua kia tīna. Pōti mai hui e, tai ki e. See, that's a vote from all of these, kia ora. Nah.